Today's recipe is quick and easy apple cider drink. Let's get started. So I got lemon, I also got oranges, and I have lots of apples. In this video, I am using 3 types of apples. I'm using Granny Smith, Fiji, and Gala apples. A friend of mine gave these to me and I didn't know what to do with them, so I decided to make apple cider drink quick and easy, like I said. So you just want to cut your apples into wedges like I'm doing. This is the core. If you don't want to discard these, you just cut them up into pieces and add it to your compost. Now all the apples are cut up. I was using a 6-quart pot and it was all the way to the middle, so it was a lot of apples. Now I'm going to cut up the oranges. I'm using only 1.5. Afterwards, I'll peel my lemon. You can decide to use the whole lemon. I just wanted to use the rinds for something else. So peel the lemon and cut them up and add it to your bowl. At this point, I'm saying hello to everyone, my new subscribers, my old ones. I appreciate all that you do. If today is your first time here, you are warmly welcome. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and share my video. Now everything is cut up. Apples, lemon, and oranges. So I'm going to add water. I'll also leave the quantities that I used in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. This drink is gonna make your house smell amazing. You love the smell. It smells so good, so good. It is now time to add some aromatics. So I have some cloves, cinnamon sticks, and star anise. The recipe itself calls for whole allspice, but I didn't have home, so I decided to use star anise. So if you have whole allspice, add it. And then this is brown sugar. To be honest with you, if I knew this was going to be sweeter, I wouldn't have added the sugar. Or if you don't want yours to be on a sweeter side, I'll suggest you finish mashing the apples before you add your sweetener. So now I'm using my pressure cooker to cook it on high for about 40 minutes. You can also do this overnight in a slow cooker. So now everything is soft and I am going to mash these. It is almost bedtime, so I'm going to mash and leave it in the pressure cooker for flavors to intensify. Now it's the next morning. I'm just gonna strain this with this strainer and strain it a second time with my chiffon cloth, or you can also use cheesecloth if you have that one. So the second time, and your apple cider drink is ready. Have fun with it. It was summertime, so I added ice to this. But if you're doing this in the cold weather like winter, you just have to drink it warm. That means this drink is an all year round drink, and that is why I like it. So if you have some apples, please give it a try and let's enjoy it. Have fun with yours. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe, and I will see you next time in my next video. Adios. Bye.